Hi, I'm Samwise with Flowtoys. Check out this cool new thing. It's a crystal case flange clip. We designed it specifically for our freehander glow sticking friends because they wanted to use our flow light in the crystal case without the extra leash. But we were like, well, the flow leash is actually what holds it in there. We're going to need something to cap it off. So we made this little guy that loops onto the rounded end of your flow light. Just pop it on through and then pass the flange clip through the loop, pull it taut, insert your flow light into the crystal case, align your cap with the top, make sure to get all your little rope bits snugged in there, ta-da! But you still need to get back into your flow light. So to get it back off, you can stack our index and our thumbs on either side of the top, give it a squeeze. Oh, try the other direction. There it goes. Best part is, it actually makes it easier to get your flow light out. Pop a new battery in, you're ready to flow. The flange clip is an awesome addition to your crystal koi light, but they don't need it. They make a much more finished look, but we find that they're just perfect as they are. If you were to buy all of your parts separately and try and assemble some crystal koi for yourself, you can grab the flange clips as extra, but I don't think you need them. Just make sure when you go to assemble that you set up your crystal koi light by leashing through the square end instead of the round end. So we have the round end at the top because it's easiest to grab. But if you still struggle to get your flow lights out sometime, maybe the flange clip is the answer for you because it does make it a lot easier to get your flow light out.